What if I told you this dancing video was made from a single photo? No camera, no mic, no editing, just one AI tool that does it all. And the craziest part, people are using it right now to make passive income online. And now let's go ahead and play this particular video right here so that you see what I meant for yourself, and I'm going to be showing you guys the difference. Can you see that? So in this video, I'll show you how to turn ordinary image into realistic talking videos or dancing video, just like this one you are seeing right here. This method is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, social media automation, or even freelance gig and influencers on social media. So if you have been looking for a new way to make money with AI, this is it. So now what can you see about this particular video? Now let me tell you the difference. This particular one you see here, the one with the guy, is the AI Revideo. Okay, this is an AI. This is the Revideo I downloaded from TikTok, and I was able to redo this video. If it is on TikTok, we're going to be saying this is a duet, right? So I was able to make these duets with AI. So I redid the video of this person. Okay, take a look. You can see that every step was moving perfectly well right here. So you can see that the background is the same, nothing was changed, just the person right here. So how do you get that done? So the link to get this done is in the description. So once you go through that link, reason why you should go through that link, so that you don't make a mistake. Okay, so currently right now, an Instagram influencer make 500 a day by just using this particular AI. Okay, creates your AI influencer. There's so much to this particular AI you don't know, even so much from what I'm about to share, a particular feature I'm about to share in this particular video. So do yourself good to watch this video to the very end, so as to get all I'm going to say in this particular video, right? So right now, all you need to do is, once you go through the link, it's going to bring you here. So, and this is what the platform looks like. So there are things you should do. There's the affiliate side, and so you go ahead to launch the app. So once you launch the app, as easy as that. Okay, so and once you launch the app, you'll be able to create an account, and once you create an account, it brings you to the dashboard right there, the home section. And right there in the home section, you're going to be given a free 80 credits right here, a free 80 credits. You can see right here, I've used about 72 credits already, left with 18 credits. All right, so now all you need to do, first time user, after going through the link in my description below, you create your own image. Okay, you upload a model right here. So, and this model could be your own picture, or you allow the AI to generate it for you. So all you need to do is click right here, the personal model side. Then once you click at the personal model side, it's going to take you in where you're going to be making an upload. You upload a picture right there. So now right here at the upload section, so you either allow this particular AI to create you its own influencer, or you add your own image. You can get a stock image, it must not be yours. Okay, so but if you want to use yours to redo a video, you can use that. So now you upload a video right here. So if I click on upload image, I will be directed to my file to get a picture to upload right here. But since I don't want to upload, it's very simple. So you can just click here, or you drag and place it right here, or go to your file and get it. So mind you, it's best you use your PC for this, even though you can still use your phone, either Android or iOS for this, but I advise you use your PC for this. Okay, just as to get a clearer view of the AI and make use of it easy. Okay, so now after uploading an image, so like I said, if you don't have that image, you go allow this particular AI called Apob to create it for you. So if you hit here generate, you're going to be describing the kind of image you want him to generate. If it's a man influencer you want it to generate for you, then you input it right here, man or woman or anything, and you input the age, 25. Is he an old man? You're going to be putting it there. For the country, you select a country. So Right here I just selected a Nigerian country, my country Nigeria. Okay, so and the eyes, you can select if you want the eyes to be blue, you put it. If you want it to be albino, you put it gray, this, that, you input it there. Okay, so and once you hit there, it's going to take 10 credits to generate. Say for an instance, after generating, okay, so if we come back right here, so let's go back to our home page. So coming to our home page right here, you can see for the file, this particular photo you are seeing right here, I generated it myself. I inputted Nigeria, so it was able to generate a black man with an afro hair style of 25 years of age. So that's it right here, and I named him King right here. So this is what I'll be using as my AI influencer. This face is what I'm going to be using, but if you are not okay with this face, you can change it. So what does this AI influencer does for you? So if you want to be making posts, like now you saw this post, let's say a short video, and you want to create that exact same thing, you can just take that photo and generate. All right, so now how do you even start using it? Right here, you click on this particular part, you click on the image. So this is a lot of things you are going to be using this particular image for right here. So and the best part right here is the Revideo. So that's what I did right here. This is what we call Revideo. You can see for the fact that this particular one right here is the AI, the guy. So you can see he used a Nigerian guy with an afro hair right here, like copied everything right here in the original. This is the original. The original is a girl, while the AI influencer right here, the guy. So he just used the image he generated for me to redo a video of this person right here. You can see they have the same face, afro hairstyle. Okay, so and if we play it right now, you see it for yourself. So take for an instance, you want to be making a post right there on TikTok, and you want to be based on making post duet. So this AI is going to help you duet that, and you don't want people to see your face. You can just choose a photo, just go get a random photo and let the AI do it for you. Right here you can see everything. It copies everything from the other video and perfects it, and you can see there's no difference. So this is just a duet, and you can do the same. All this you see right here, they are all copied from this original video. So back to how to make use of this. So right here, if you click on regenerate this Revideo right here, so there are so many things right here this particular AI can do. Apob can help you generate video. You just put a prompt and it generates, or you lip sync. Okay, you lip sync, you video face swap, camera movement, video upscale, add subtitle to a video, talking avatar. So there's a lot. And when it comes to image right here, this is what it does: face swap, edit image, and lots more. And these are a lot of templates right here you can make use of. Okay, so now my main point right here, where I'm more focused on this Revideo. Okay, so if I click on this Revideo right here, there I'm going to be uploading a video. I want it to copy. So right here I select, is either you select a content or you click upload video. So you click here and you get to upload a video you already have. So if you upload a video, it's going to be coming here. Okay, so and mind you, you have about 80 free credits to use, right? So now after uploading, this is it where it comes. This place is optional. Then after uploading, you hit on generate. So for every 1 second, they are going to be taking 26 credits. For every 1 second after generation, they are going to be taking 26 credits. Okay, so if you want your video to be more longer, then you have to be purchasing more credit, but we are getting to that soon. Okay, so right here is what I generated. Okay, this is what I generated, this particular video right here. Copied the original. I already played it for you guys and you have seen how it works. So Are you willing to start using this AI influencer? Are you ready to be an influencer by just doing it? So how do you even make money with this AI? See, there are a lot of people who need this kind of services right there on Fiverr. You can go to Fiverr and look for gigs there, and you do this and you get your money, right? So, and also you can also use it for yourself, make content, make Revideo content and post. It's either TikTok, Facebook or YouTube, and that's how you grow your audience and monetize. Okay, so now you can see it for yourself. You can see the perfection. And one thing you should know, that this AI is still under development, so in real time there could be more perfection than what you're seeing right here. So take note. So because I don't have a lot of credit, I was only able to do a 3-second of the main clip right there. So, and that's why you are seeing what you're seeing right there from the video. I already showed you guys that. So the next thing now is after. So there's nothing more. This particular AI is very easy and understandable. Anyone can use it. Okay, so you don't need a coding experience to start using this particular AI. Is a user-friendly AI. Apob. This link is in the description below. So right here, if you click on upgrade, one thing I like about this is the upgrade page. The charge for upgrade is small, right? So right here you can see 80 credits for the day. So this could be every day. I'm not done with the credits. The credits I already have, so I haven't used that all. So maybe after using every credit I have, they will give me another for here. But right here, if you want to upgrade, so there are lots of accounts right here you can upgrade to. You can upgrade to micro, you can upgrade to macro and mega. So if you want to use mega, I'll advise, if you want to enjoy this particular AI, go for the mega plan. But if you want to try it out, okay, so for the micro, you are being given 5,000 credits to use for the month. Okay, so that's it, and it's $7.5, not cost for me. So, and these are the things, these are the opportunities right here. These are the things you are going to get for using this plan. But if you upgrade to mega for $40, this is what you are going to be getting, which anyone can afford, right? So better still, make use of this opportunity while it lasts, because I believe in no time the price will still get to an increase, right? So, but look at it, everything right here is cool, and that's it for rates. And next thing again is you can become an affiliate, okay, with this particular AI influencer website, Apob. So if you come to this place right here, okay, this is where you can see my stuff. So let's go down to becoming an affiliate right here. So if I come down to my profile right here, there you can become an affiliate. And to become an affiliate with this particular Apob is very easy. Okay, so right here you can see this is an affiliate link right here. You can just copy the link, send to a friend and register with it. And also you can, and to become an affiliate you have to register first. Okay, you have to become an affiliate, and so simple. You just need your personal details and boom, your link is given to you, and that's how you can get it done. Okay, so let me know what you think about this AI, this Apob AI, in the comment section below. And once you use it, let me get your review in the comment section too. Alright, see you in my next video, and enjoy this AI while it lasts. Bye.